Hello and welcome to West Yorkshire Engines. Got a big tip for you today. Just want to say a big thank you to all you guys who subscribe to this channel and for all those that are getting involved in this channel and all the comments that you're making. So really appreciate that, guys, thank you. Right, in today we've got 2012 Nissan Pathfinder. It's covered over 140,000 miles, and before it had come to me, it had been in a garage and they couldn't get it up and running. So as soon as I got it here, I've diagnosed it with faulty injectors. I've been able to replace the injectors with new. The price has come down considerably because I've been able to pressurise the suppliers. What I need you to know, guys, is when you start getting warning lights on your dash, and I want you to have a look at this in a minute. If you have a look in here, if you'll notice there, you've got engine management light on, and there we've got DPF light. Now this is where it gets really important with DPF issues. Now this vehicle, even though it's a manual, it's actually got a DPF filter on the exhaust. And it's suspect that the customer has been driving around with the DPF fault for quite some time, and that's why it's overfueled and dumped and caused faulty injectors and dumped a load of fuel into the sump. So they were very, very lucky that it wasn't like the silver Navara that I showed you the other day, where he continued to drive it and it had eventually done the big end. So it's really important, guys, if you get any warning lights on your dash, get them dealt with as soon as possible. Don't just ignore them and think that just because it's driving fine now that you're not going to have a problem later on, because this is what's happened is I've taken the engine out on this car because it's covered 140,000 miles, and I've changed the timing chain because it's pointless spending over £1,000 on the engine and then the chain snap a week later. So I've done that to prevent further damage to the customer's car, and you've seen the smoke that's coming out of it. So this car is not running right at this moment in time, but we'll deal with that, and we'll show you how to deal with that with a diagnostic tool in the next video. I just needed to warn you about driving around with warning lights on your dash. It's better that you deal with them as soon as possible rather than ignore them, because I've wanted to give this car back to the customer, but now I'm going to have to spend extra time on it, and it's going to cost the customer more because I've got to spend more time on it. So in that bit of advice is, the sooner you deal with the problem, the lesser the bill's going to be, and that's my whole point in this video, is don't ignore the warning lights on your dash. So that's really important. And another thing, be honest with your mechanic, because if you're not honest with your mechanic, the job's going to take a lot longer. So that's really important. Be honest with your mechanic in the future. All I can say is thanks for watching. If you need my help and assistance at all, you can give me a call on 01484 420 930. If you need my help and assistance at all, any parts or anywhere around the world, give me a call or email westyorkshireengines@gmail.com. You can find us on Facebook. Subscribe for more, and we'll teach you everything you need to know about Nissan. Thanks for watching, and come again.